guys, this week's video is kind of a lot. I was a little bit excited and I'm trying to get a lot of information in a short amount of time. But just spend about 5 minutes with this drill, maybe twice a day, and see what you discover. This is life-changing stuff, but it's ridiculously simple. Anyway, if you have questions, let me know in the comments. All right, good luck.
Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about the secret to being resilient or having longevity or just being strong throughout your life. And the secret is having a strong reflexive core. And the secret to having a strong reflexive core is breathing properly. Your diaphragm functioning the way it's supposed to. And really, your diaphragm is not your only breathing muscle. It's like it's the captain of your inner core muscle unit. And it works with your pelvic floor and your transverse abdominis and your multifidi. The muscles those are your inner core unit. And those are also your breathing muscles, not just your diaphragm. But if you're not breathing properly, you probably don't have a reflexively strong inner core unit. And if you don't, you're not going to be too resilient. You're going to be prone to injuries and stiffness and weakness and just lethargy. You're gonna be just not as good or as you were meant to be. So again, it's about breathing properly. Like if you want to live a healthy, strong, happy life, you need to be able to breathe the way you're designed to breathe. And so and breathing is reflexive. It's not something necessarily that should be cognitive. It can be cognitive, but all of that to say is I'm going to try to teach you how to reflexively get your inner core unit back online, reflexively. And so here we go. What we're going to do is, well, first of all, keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth the rest of your life. That'll change your life, unless you're using your tongue to talk or eat or whatever. But when you're done with it, put it where it belongs. Change your life forever. So what we're going to do, though, is we're going to breathe in through our nose, and we're going to get in this position here. And the reason we're getting in this position is so you can feel the reflexive connection between all your inner core breathing muscles, between your diaphragm, your pelvic floor, your transverse abdominis, your multifidi. You're going to feel a reflexive connection, and it's going to feel amazing. And if you can find this connection, it's just going to help you breathe better. So what we're going to do is we're going to get on all fours, and you're going to breathe in through your nose. And then you're just going to exhale like you're trying to blow out a candle across the room. You're not trying to blow it out forcefully, but you're trying to see if you can reach it. It's going to look like this. This is going to look real boring, but if you find this, it's going to be real exciting. So you're going to breathe in, and you're going to blow out through pursed lips. And you're going to blow until there is nothing left to blow. And as you blow, and there gets to be less and less and less and less air in you, you're going to feel your inner core unit start to tighten up. And when you blow absolutely nothing left, when you got nothing left in you, you're just going to let go. And when you let go, you're going to get a reflexive response where air is just going to rush into your body, and your inner core muscles are going to go boom. They're going to expand. And what you're going to feel is you're going to feel your center just explode. But you're also going to feel your pelvic floor, and that's the floor in your pelvis, and your diaphragm. Those are twins, by the way. They are twin diaphragms. They are both going to bounce back together. So it looks like this. This is boring. You may see it, you may not see it, but you will feel it if you try it. So we're going to breathe in. Tongue's on the roof of the mouth as we breathe in. As we exhale through pursed lips, you may not be able to keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth, and that's okay. But when you let go, shut your lips and let the air rush in through your nostrils. Here we go. And you exhale till there's nothing left to exhale through pursed lips like you're blowing a candle 3 miles away. And when you let go, did you hear that? That is life happening. That is a reflexive breathing response where the air breathes you. The air comes into you, and your inner core unit goes boom, and it explodes to receive that rush of air that's coming in. And if you did that, you felt it. And if you felt that, you may have felt your pelvic floor bounce with your diaphragm as it should. This is a wonderful way to reestablish that reflexive connection between your diaphragm, your pelvic floor, your transverse abdominis, and all your inner core muscles. This is a really long, convoluted video, but if you get this, you will feel your design happening. And this is a great way to jumpstart and refresh your breathing design so that you can have a resiliently strong, longevity living body that's full of energy, health, strength, and vitality, and all the wonderful things you want to have to live your life to the best of your ability. Just remember, if you can't find this, it's okay. It takes practice. Keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth the rest of your life. Change your life forever. Breathe in and out through your nose. That's your design. Unless you're trying to blow a candle out 3 miles away. And the reason we're doing this drill is to find that reflexive connection, to jumpstart that reflexive connection, to make you your inner core unit, just to turn it on. It turns it on. All right? It's a lot. I know. Try this. Change your life. And it's just awesome. Anyway, I'm Tim with Original Strength. Feel free to write me in the comments section, and I can try to be more clear, make a more clear video later. But let's start here. All right, guys. We'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.